twin, Fly Corvair. Today we're going to take a look at a 2400 L series starter. We've had this starter for a number of years. The L series starter is a particularly lightweight, permanent magnet, high reduction starter. It basically doesn't get better than this. The starter itself weighs only 4 pounds, but it can turn over the largest Corvair motor with the highest compression ratio with ease. It has simple installation instructions that come with it. The starter itself, right here, is the focal point of today. But what I want to bring to you in the video is a close look at the quick adjustment that takes only a moment and lasts as long as you have it on the engine. But also, an important feature that we have as an update on this starter, a simple grounding link that's on the front of the motor. We'll take a look at it in some detail. Let's take a look at starter adjustments on a 2400L starter. This is a 2400L starter on a Corvair. It's already been mounted. The screwdriver, as you see it right here, is holding the pinion gear out. It's meshed with the ring gear. The clearance we're going to use on this is a piece of 41,000 safety wire inserted between the tooth and the valley on the ring gear. Regular 41,000 safety wire inserted there, and the adjustment, because this side is slotted and it's pivoting on the other side, the adjustment is the starter can move up and down. The up and down motion of the starter sets the clearance, and then it's locked in place with the correct gap between the two set with a piece of 41 safety wire. With the small screwdriver or even an Allen wrench holding the ring gear out, the pinion gear out to mesh with the ring gear, you just snug it down. It is in the slot now. Next, a Belleville washer and the long nut. With the safety wire pinched between the two and snug down, the bevel washer goes in, then the long nut, and the nut is torqued to 25 foot-pounds. After the nut is torqued, the holding tool can be removed. The propeller turns slightly and the safety wire will be free. At this point, go back and tighten the pivot side. 40 pounds. An important feature to have is the grounding link. The grounding link grounds the starter for proper operation electrically, but it also stabilizes the front of the starter. This bolt right here has been removed from the fifth bearing. This is what the bottom of the link is attached to. The top of the link has a short 3/8 inch fine thread bolt, which will be threaded into the end. Let's see how this is installed. With the link attached at the bottom, the short bolt can be inserted into the top and tightened to 20 foot-pounds. There's the finished installation. All 2400L starters must have this link to be properly installed. This link is available separately if you have an earlier 2400 series starter. Again, it is required not just for grounding it, but it also works to stabilize it, and it additionally holds the adjustment on the starter. Once adjusted, the starter is good for the life of the motor. It need not be ever adjusted again. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.